bless you in Jesus' name. All right. So today, so there's this stuff I do on my one most times. Show you those stuffs. You can do them while ending a song, you can do them before starting a song, you can do them as an intro. So whichever ways, let's get to the keys and just look at them. All right, so right today, so I'm in the key of I'm starting this in the key of F sharp, which has we have the notes F sharp, G sharp, B flat, we have what's it called, B, C sharp, E flat, F, and F sharp. So the first one I did was something like this. So that was while holding your one. You go to your one is F sharp. That's the tonic do re mi fa sol la ti do. So it's like you're already your do. Then you do your major two the major scale on your super tonic. That's your 2. So that's in the key of A flat. So assuming you are F sharp, for instance, you do your second inversion on A flat. Which goes like this. So we have the second inversion is E flat, A flat, and C. So you just do something like this. So you do the second inversion, first inversion, and then the roots of your major second, right? So it's something like do. So you do that. So you do this chord. Right, the one I cut for you. You do the first inversion of A flat triad, then the root position. So I did that. Then you could also do what's it called? B diminished chord. Also, you can also do that on it, but just use the voicing B, D, and A flat. So while holding the one, then you can do your pentatonic scale, major pentatonic scale. So that's 3 2 1 2 1 3 2 1 2 1 3 2 1. That's the fingers 3 2 1 2 1. But the notes are in terms of scale. We have a 3 2 1 6 5 3 2 1. That's your major pentatonic scale. So together we have a. And then you do this arpeggio. I have a tutorial on that. You can check the channel for that. God bless you. Thank you for watching. Bye.